So hello everyone, I am Harsh. I have started learning the data structure and algorithm. So as of now, it's become much more easier to fix the lead code. So I just thought to document my journey and my all of my learnings using these videos. The first question that I have solved today is we have to print 1 to n using the recursion. So as we all know that recursion is a function that solves a bigger problem by solving its smaller problem. There is two thumb rule of recursion. First is the base case and second is the recursive code. Okay, uh, to solve this question, so what will be the base case for, let's suppose we have to print from 1 2 3 4 10. So what will be the base case? If we have a value of n is equals to 0, then we have to do nothing. So that will be our base case. So and the uh, and the second is recursive code. So what will be its recursive code? Recursive code will be, we need to call for function for a smaller function, right? Let's suppose if we called for 10, then it should automatically call a 9 8 7. These things will happen. In order to do this, we need to write code. So we will create a function fx print n to 1 to n, 1 to n, which will accept an integer. So the base case will be, if n is equals to 0, it will return this statement, and the recursive code will be, we have to call the same function for its smaller input. Let's suppose n minus 1. Okay, so for a smaller input, and then after it we have to print. So print a statement, we have print a statement is here. So there is a logic behind why we have write print a statement after this line after recursive code. So whenever the recursion, let's suppose the number is 10, so first 10 will enter it in the call stack, then 9, then eventually 8. So after entering all these function in the call stack, when these function return statement takes place, when the condition of n is equals to 0 takes place, then after it we want to print. So that's why we have write the print statement after these code. The second question I had solved today is, we need to print n to 1 using the recursion. This is again similar question, in which we have used the recursion. We all know that recursion has two basic principles: basic case, and the recursive code for its smaller input. Okay, so the code will remain almost same, n to 1, that this function will accept an integer. Base case will again remain same. Now the only thing is change. Let me write. The only thing change in this function, that we are going to print the number before sending it to a call stack. Let's suppose the number n is equals to 10. So before sending it into a call stack, we need to print it. So that's why we write this print statement is here. So I hope you got it. The third question that I have solved today is, before after solving these questions, there is a smaller question. If you want to try it, if we want to print these number, then what will be the what will be its code. So if you are watching, please comment it. So the third question is, we need to find a sum of numbers. Sum of numbers means if value of 10 is equals to number is 5, so we need to calculate 1 plus 2 plus 3 its sum. If value of number is n is equals to 10, then we need to calculate all these sum of first and natural number. So using recursion, what recursion will do, it solves the bigger problem by solving its a smaller problem. So if we want to calculate sum of first and natural number, so the logic will look like this. Okay, so the base case in this code will be, if value of n is equals to 0, then we have to do nothing, we will return 0. Otherwise, if we are taking base case is equals to 1, then we will return 1. Okay, and the recursive code of this function will call for its smaller input. So the final code output should be written as sum that will accept an integer, then yeah, it's a base case. Then the recursive code should be look like return n plus sum of n minus 1. Yeah, that's it. That's the final output of this question.